Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix screen flickering on laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to go to settings and then go and tap system, tap this one. Here on system, you have to tap on display. Now you have to scroll down here and tap on advanced display settings. Click. After that, what you're going to do here is you have to make sure that this one is the right display. And below here is the correct refresh rate. Tap on display adapter, tap on monitor. Make sure that this one is the correct screen refresh rate. Now tap on properties. Click on driver. Tap this one and then disable this. After that, enable this one again. And then tap on OK. So you have to go to your start menu again, and then this time you have to look for device manager. Now what you're going to do here is, if you want to fix screen flickering on laptop, you can change your display driver here. So select browse my computer for drivers. Instead of automatic search, click browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now pick a different driver, select an older or alternative version if available. Now the last method is open your command prompt. You can type CMD, tap open, and then all you have to do is to follow what I'm going to type here. Follow this prompt. So first you have to type prompt, enter, follow this one, and then after that, enter again. Now you have to follow the second one right here, and then after that, enter. And the very last prompt that you're going to add here or type here is ASSOC. And then after that, press enter. Once you're done, you can exit and then restart your computer. So I hope that by following this method, it will fix screen flickering on laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.